As preppers, we understand the importance of being ready for anything. And judging by all the YouTube videos out there, most people are focused on food, water, medicine, and personal security, which of course are important. But today we're going to focus on 15 often overlooked items you should stockpile, and you won't want to miss out on these essentials. Industrial zip ties. Zip ties are versatile and strong. They're useful for repairs, organizing supplies, adding security, medical uses, and gardening. Stock up on heavy-duty industrial-grade ones for maximum utility. Silica gel packets. These packets control moisture, preventing corrosion and mold in your gear, your food, and your tools. They're reusable and they're easy to find online or in stores. Superglue. Superglue is perfect for quick repairs and medical emergencies and even sealing leaks. Choose quality brands for reliability and consider buying in bulk online. Fishing gear. Fishing gear provides a sustainable food source. Compact rods, hooks, lures, and a multi-tool can help you catch fish in various environments. Outdoor retailers and online stores have a wide selection. Manual tools. Manual tools don't need power, making them reliable and durable. Essential tools would include a handsaw, a hand drill, screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, garden tools, and an axe. Invest in quality tools from reputable brands. Baking soda. Baking soda is versatile, useful for cleaning, neutralizing odors, personal hygiene, health remedies, and food preparation. Stock up on food-grade baking soda and store it in airtight containers. White vinegar. White vinegar is a natural disinfectant, deodorizer, stain remover, and personal hygiene product. It's also useful for food preservation and gardening, so store it in a cool, dark place for a long shelf life. Sewing kits. A sewing kit allows you to repair clothing and gear and can even be used for medical emergencies. Include some needles, durable thread, scissors, buttons, and safety pins. Powdered milk. Powdered milk has a long shelf life and is rich in nutrients. It's versatile for drinking, cooking, and making dairy products. Stockpile non-fat powdered milk for the best shelf life. Duct tape. Duct tape is incredibly strong and versatile for quick fixes, medical emergencies, waterproofing, insulation, and making rope. Stockpile this one deep, looking for heavy-duty, outdoor-grade duct tape in various colors. Hand-cranked radios. Hand-cranked radios provide reliable communication during power outages. Look for models with multiple bands, durable designs, and additional features like a flashlight or USB ports. Invest in a few to ensure everyone stays informed. And as a personal recommendation, once you get that radio, try it out immediately. Don't just leave it in the box. Because I know from experience that not all hand-cranked radios offer the same quality or results. Vitamin supplements. Vitamin supplements help maintain nutrition when fresh food is scarce. Stockpile multivitamins, vitamin C, vitamin D, calcium, and omega-3 supplements. Choose high-quality brands with a long shelf life. And consider vacuum sealing these to give them an even longer storage time. Spices and seasonings. Spices and seasonings enhance food flavor, and they provide health benefits. Stockpile a variety of spices, including salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, dried herbs, and chili powder. Store them in airtight containers, and once again, consider vacuum sealing them. Entertainment and mental health resources. Books, board games, puzzles, and craft supplies help maintain morale during stressful times. Stockpile items that don't require power and include mental health resources like self-help books and journals. Additionally, if you or someone in your family has a creative mind and enjoys making things like knitting, sewing, or weaving, consider stocking up on these essential items as well. It will give the person crafting the items a morale boost and come in handy for personal use or for bartering. Personal hygiene items. Maintain your cleanliness with soap, hand sanitizer, toothbrushes, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, razors, feminine hygiene products, and toilet paper. Store these items in waterproof containers and rotate your stock to keep it fresh. While it's essential to stockpile food, water, and those other basics, don't overlook these 15 versatile items. They can significantly enhance your preparedness, ensuring you're ready for any situation.